Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way. Today is July 24th, 2018. We've just left this little town or big village called, what was it called? Khomam. And we're walking now, the caboose and I, towards an eco lodge northeast of here. So it's a little bit in the wrong direction. You're gonna see on the map. But yeah, I felt like staying in an eco lodge. They're very interesting usually. And yeah, the country road here is quiet and nice. I gotta say that. The caboose is having an awesome time. There's nothing here. Just us, just walking. And I don't know if you can see that. Let's see here. Can we go here? I don't want to step on a spider. See the tree here? They have like a little, let's see, is that better? They have like little cocoons around them. And I don't think these are spider webs, but I'm not sure. They're just around some of the leaves, and then the leaves apparently die. And I don't know what happens in there. Maybe it's a butterfly thingy or something. Oh, there's some worms in there. That's so interesting. Let's see. Well, I don't know what to tell you, but this is interesting. Talk to you later. So we've come to this mosque here, and there's a little graveyard next to it, and on the graveyard a young grave, a fresh grave, and it's a face that we've seen a bunch of times here on the road. It's this young man. His name is Mehdi, and he died about 8 or 9 days ago on this road here. And it's heartbreaking. 22 years old. And there's a little photo of him with his motorcycle, which he apparently loved, and which killed him. Yeah, this is what's left. Rest in peace, Mehdi.